You're probably watching this video because you're considering becoming a coffee roaster. So is coffee roasting profitable? How much does it cost to start a coffee business? What skills do I need to become a coffee roaster? We're going to talk about that and more in this episode of the Coffee Roasting University. Hey, Terry here from Cherry Blend Coffee Roasters. In our previous business was an interior painting business. We did that for 27 years. We learned a lot. We figured out how to run a business, but a coffee roasting industry, the coffee roaster is a different, separate entity. It's not exactly the same as most businesses, and it has to be treated as such. So the purpose of this video is to give you some of the information that we have learned along the way. So let's start with probably one of the most important questions. Is coffee roasting profitable? So coffee roasting can be very profitable. There are a lot of companies out there that are doing very well. They're growing and they're getting huge. And some, they stay a certain way, a certain size, and that's just how they want to run their business. So you have to kind of make that choice right off the bat. You feel that you can get into the coffee roasting industry and become a king leader? Well, it's going to take a lot more to do it than just what you think. Number one is you have to have a very, very large backing of money because it isn't a cheap project to get into. You have to start with your roaster, you have to start with your bags, you have to start with your building, you have to start with a little bit of everything. So you consider every single thing that deals with coffee. It's very expensive to start, and it won't become profitable until you get to that point where everything is working properly and you're moving forward. Okay, if this is something you're seriously considering, make sure to keep watching our channel because we're going to keep giving you more information as we go along, and we want to help you grow in your business as well as ours. There's other forms of information. You can go out, you can look online, you can join different organizations. You can also, there's some great teachers out there of the coffee industry. And don't always think the very best is the best, because everybody has their own decision and own idea on what they want to do to grow that business. Some people can be great coffee roasters, but they can't be good business people. This is something you have to consider, all this. So if you might have to hire people. Hey, you can check us out here, like I said, at Cherry Blend Coffee Roasters. We're happy to help you. And just make sure that you are doing what you need to do properly to get moved forward, because we want you to do the very best and succeed in what you do. We like to succeed, we want you to succeed. So if you like this video, then subscribe to our channel at Coffee Roasters University.